You're watching the Retirement Halftime Show. Host Alexander Joyce, with me, of course, Andrea Morehead, our community impact anchor. And you recently did a really cool, touching story right here, Central Indiana.
Yes.
Tell us about it.
Well, you know, talk about compassion and heartfelt. This is one of my favorite stories to date. You know, when you think about retirement, there's so many people, their biggest expense is going to be healthcare.
Yeah.
And for many, they don't have healthcare, they don't have access. So this story was born out of someone else's personal experience in retirement, not having the money to support themselves and their healthcare. And she said, if this is happening to me, then let me help other people as well. And let me tell you, this group, they are magnificent. They have a lot of heart and soul to make sure they're giving back to those who really need it.
I understand that you have a little concern with a certain tooth.
Yes, I have a little toothache right here.
Linda Clark is a retiree and one of the patients blessed to receive dental and or medical care at this Westfield clinic.
I found out a lot was going on with my body that I didn't even know.
The Heart and Soul Clinic, where healing meets hope, assists people without health insurance.
I knew I had high blood pressure, but I didn't know my cholesterol. I have asthma, and she put me on a different kind of medication.
By providing primary care services for free.
We provide ongoing care for chronic health conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, asthma.
Dr. Hayner is a board-certified adult internist and nephrologist and pharmacist. To come out of retirement, and now you've been here for 8 years?
Yes, yes.
Does it feel like you're working, or does this really feel like a calling?
God just told me, this is what I want you to do. I feel like we're all called to give back, and we have to serve the least of these. I feel like I'm helping people that would have nothing, no way to get health care, and that makes me feel like I'm serving others.
They also serve by going into the community with their mobile unit, which is how Linda found out about the free health services.
I'm a hugger, okay? And when we finished everything, I gave them all a hug in the bus, yes. And every time I came, they looked forward to that hug.
The Clinic on Wheels goes to 2 locations, Delaware Township Trustees in Fishers and Carmel United Methodist Church in conjunction with Gleaner's Food Bank.
These are the people that are serving us food when we go to a restaurant. They're bringing us our coffee, they're doing our hair, they're watching our kids. They're doing our landscaping.
Lisa is the clinic's executive director.
We are taking care of people that are trying really hard to take care of themselves.
With the rise in healthcare costs, she works diligently to ensure the doors stay open to support more than 1,500 patients a year. Their annual budget is $500,000. Yearly fundraisers help, but donations are also needed.
We're always, seeking those grants and seeking for more donors that are interested in our mission and that understand how important it is. Giving a few dollars to us will help someone else so incredibly they don't even know.
All of the money goes directly for patient care, like medications and lab work. Heart and Soul is also in need of volunteers for front desk help, licensed medical personnel, and interpreters. 70% of the patient population speaks Spanish.
All our volunteers are amazing. They give, they're dedicated, they give their time and talents.
Lisa first gave her time as a volunteer before joining the staff. Her soul was drawn to give back. And Dr. Hayner has a heart for comprehensive women's services. When you think about the number of people whose lives you have saved because of early detection, how does that make you feel?
Early detection means cure, not just treatment of cancer, and that's really the bottom line.
When you financially give to the clinic or serve as a volunteer or medical practitioner like Darcy Barr, who's the dental clinic manager,
We do have referral services, so we have some resources to give you.
rest assured, patients like Linda are very grateful.
It's like a family to me.
And as always, they need your help as well. Financial donations as well as volunteering, and we certainly hope that you answer the call. For more information about Heart and Soul, go to our website at ReJoyceFinancial.com/Andrea.
I really appreciate it, Andrea. I mean, the community needs to hear stories like that, and these families that have that concern need to feel that compassion, right? I mean, it is an emotional thing, and I think that that's what really is important to us is, again, understanding the goal, feeling the emotion, the compassion, and being able to give back and support that need. So we really appreciate it.
And you feel good when you give back too, right?
I love it.
Yeah.
I mean, it makes me feel really good, right?